What's up? It's your favorite attorney. They wrote me and they said, but let me call court into session. Court is now in session. They wrote me and they said, is there a way that attorneys or some other profession could tell me if the marriage is too risky for it to work financially? What I mean is that it appears that the idea of the marriage crosses the boundaries of economic classes in society because she doesn't have the same background as me, she doesn't have the same money as me, and she doesn't have the same economic value as me. So maybe that suggests that it's too risky for us to get married just on that basis. What can you tell me? Honey, I can tell you this. The way you're writing, you sound like you may be Arab. I'm not trying to make I'm not trying to be funny with respect to people's religions, nationalities, or creeds. But what I'm trying to say is, sir, you probably have a lot of money and she doesn't have any. There is a reason that people arranged marriages back in the day. And if you ask me, a lot of the marriages probably still need to be arranged because people don't know how to pick. You do need to pick somebody that is equally yoked with you. It's in the Bible. That's in Buddhism. That is in Islam. Every religion, baby, says that. And even atheists believe that you should put into someone what they can give back to you. They don't believe in divine intervention. They do believe in hard work. And an atheist believes that what you put into something is what you get out. So by nature of them believing that, they would also believe that you want to mate with somebody or you want to marry somebody that's equally yoked. Because if they can't give you back what you put in, what are you doing? So, sweetheart, a lot of the times marriages will be economically unfeasible for you. You know, there have been times, and I will say myself and friends, we've gotten into relationships with people because we felt like, hell, we lawyers, we can end it when it's time. We just gonna have fun. We can move around. We can let them go when we're ready. But there's a risk involved in that. And had I known that risk before, I probably would have done it myself now. I'm a beast of a lawyer, so I ain't really worried about no man cutting trying to mess with me, baby. Because I don't play when it comes to that courtroom, and I'm not going to play when it comes to my own shit. Baby, I'm going to work my shit behind the scenes, but I got my own lawyers, baby, that you can't mess with. I will say that. Because a lot of the times that you're doing your own stuff, you don't want to get emotionally involved, etc. So if I look at whether or not I'm equally yoked with somebody, baby, you should do the same. Okay? These boom booms be getting a lot of attention. But if they're not equally yoked, I have to look at what I stand to lose, what my children stand to lose, what I stand to lose in a long-term relationship, especially in a divorce or a separation. And that's what people are telling you. When you get with somebody that you're not equally yoked with, they have something to lose and you don't. Or strike that. They don't have anything to lose and you do. So when it comes down to getting a relationship, when you're going through separation, they tend to take all that they can. A lot of the times you want a premarital agreement. That's what prenuptial agreements or postnuptial agreements are for. So you can still marry somebody who ain't got no money. Make sure they sign their rights away to capitalize off your ass. Okay, next case. Prenup, son. Next case.
From legal woes to legal wows, attorney Ali Booker has got you covered. Civil lawsuit to CPS knocking on your door and more.